we can see light coming from the sun as visible light, and that energy warms the surface of the planet. But to have balance so that the Earth doesn't continually heat up, the Earth needs to get rid of some of that energy. And it gets rid of that energy as infrared radiation, which we can't see, but we can feel as heat. So there are gases in the atmosphere like water vapor and CO2 that absorb that radiation, and instead of it just passing back to space, some of it is re-emitted to the surface and some of it passes to space. And that energy that's re-emitted back to the surface warms the surface of the planet so that it's warm enough that we have liquid water and we can have life on Earth, and that's the greenhouse effect. But humans are right now modifying the greenhouse effect. We've added a lot of CO2 to the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels and by changing land use patterns. So when we chop down a forest to use the land for agriculture, that releases some CO2 to the atmosphere. And CO2 is a very effective greenhouse gas, and so we have a lot of additional energy coming back to the surface rather than being radiated directly to space, and that's warming the surface of the planet. I got interested in researching the climate because I love science, and I love the idea that as scientists we can make discoveries that impact people's lives. And I think there's a lot that we don't really understand about the Earth system, and there's a way that we can make a contribution towards identifying ways that we can live more sustainably and safeguard the Earth for our children and their children.